Today we will learn insert, update, delete and list in PHP. Let's start. At first we have to create a database in PHP MyAdmin. Creating a database PHP app, then a table my app. Only two fields we will take: ID and name. ID set primary key and auto increment, name variable character and 50 length. Database successfully created. Let's go to code. First we will create insert code. Okay, this is my favorite editor, Dreamweaver. Now I am creating an insert form in insert.php page. This is very simple PHP form. There is no any JavaScript or bootstrap coding. Okay, it is simple HTML and PHP. In the form I have created a field for name as my name, and another is submit button as submit, value submit, insert. Save, and we will create a list page link in the right side of the form page, list.php. Go to list, save and run. The form is created. Okay, this is the simple form. There is only one table. Now we will create a database connection. Save the file as db.php. Dollars connection equals to MySql I underscore connect, localhost, username as root and password as blank. Then database name, the fourth parameter, PHP app. The connection created. We have to include the connection page, include db.php. Okay, now if isset is the inbuilt function in PHP which is check the variable is exist or not, and also the value is exist in the variable or not. Okay, if isset $post submit, if the form is submitted, then the variable name will be stored as my name, and then the query will fire. $SQL equals to insert into table name my app. This is the field name of the database name, and this is the variable $name. result MySQL I underscore query. We have to fire the SQL query dollar connection, first parameter, second parameter dollar SQL. If dollar $raise is true, then echo inserted successfully. Okay, let's check the inserted successfully. The another name John Doe, insert successfully. Morris Dev, then Rambo is inserted. Some data is successfully inserted in the database. Then we will create a new page, list.php, for listing the data from the database. All the name will be populated in this page. At first we have to create a connection in the new page, and then we have to create a select query. $SQL equals to select star from my app order by ID DESC. Result MySQL query $connection, then SQL. We will create a table for listing the data. Table border 1 cell padding 5, table row tr, then td table data. Call span 2. This is serial number, this is name, this is action. List.php. Bold the caption, then we will create a while loop for populating the stored data. MySQL fetch array $result, assoc. Whatever, we can use array MySQL fetch or row or MySQL fetch assoc. $I equals to 1 for serial number of the row. Okay, $I $I plus plus. Echo $row $name, name. Then create an action link for edit and delete. We have to pass an ID from the URL for edit the data. Okay, edit. The link is copied. Here is JavaScript void 0. On click delete record, del record. Okay, we have to pass the argument. This is the caption delete. Let's go to the list page. Here is the data. Here is the data populating from the database. Okay, with 100%. Insert.php. There is delete link and edit link. Okay, we have to create a small JavaScript for confirmation on delete. Okay, function del rec record pass an id alert id. Click on it, the id is passing properly. Okay, if confirm are you want to delete? If yes, then the action will be window.location delete.php, and id we have to pass in the URL. And delete.php, creating a new file for delete query. At first, I have created a database link, then SQL, delete from table name myApp, where id equals to $_get id, $result MySQL query $connection, $SQL. If $result true, then the message will be show header location redirecting on the page with the message list.php, then message deleted successfully. we are populating the message here. If $_get, if insert $_get message msg, then echo $_get msg. So the record deleted successfully. Now listing 4 out of 5. Now listing 3 out of 5. Add more data, some name, Now we are going to create update code. How to update data in the database. Okay, let's start. Edit.php. At first we have to create a link to back page. And set the value create a database connection, select a query for retrieve data from database and populate on the field. Let's start from my app where id equals to $_get id, $raise equals to MySql query, $connection, $SQL, row equals to MySql fetch source, $raise in the parameter. Okay, echo $row name, the current data will be populated on the HTML field, means the name of the fields. Now we have to change the value update and we will create an update code. If it say $_post submit, then $name equals to $_post my name. When click on the submit button, then the statement will work, otherwise nothing will be happened. Okay, SQL query update table name, my app, set field equals to value, $name variable and $name as field, where id equals to $_get id. Update will be that row which id equals to that ID. Okay, mysqli underscore query $sql connection sql if $raise header location list.php, then message equals to updated successfully. List update the data. Yes, the updating successfully. The message is showing properly and the data is updated 33. Yes, the John Doe 33. Okay, now check the database. There is the data. Thank you guys for watching this video.